Hi, good morning. My name is Anuj Gupta from Tag Investments. Welcome to the Market Outlook. Market क्या लगता है? नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अनुज गुप्ता है. आप लोगों का स्वागत करते हैं. Market Outlook, Market क्या लगता है में. We go live between 8:45 a.m. to 9 a.m. whenever the market opens on a Zoom channel and as well as on a YouTube channel by the name of Tag Investments, and we talk about Nifty, Bank Nifty, currency, technicals, fundamentals, global news, and more. So let us get started with today's session. Yesterday we opened negative as per the global cues, and it remains range bound in the entire session. And however, it did make some recovery to close at 18,017 level. Nifty, and the resistance is at 18,150 and 18,350. If it manages to hold above 18,000, can we see a further upside? On the support side, 17,850 and then 17,777 are the key levels to watch out for. On the Bank Nifty, we saw it closing at 39,023. It is weaker than the Nifty, and it is not letting the Nifty surpass because the Bank Nifty counters are going a little weak. The resistance is at 39,500 and then 39,800. Support at 38,700 and then 38,500. Today is also the weekly expiry. So spot closed at 18,017. Weekly VWAP is at 18,050. So the key resistance and the key support are 18,150 and 17,800. One can trade in between this range. On the Bank Nifty, spot closed at 39,223. Weekly VWAP was 39,375. So it's a negative closing as compared to the weekly VWAP. So we can see it in the range bound of 38,500 to 39,500, and some weakness in the Bank Nifty can be observed today. As far as the technical pick for the day is concerned, it is Reliance Industries with the previous close of 2550. One can enter in it, stop loss of 2490 and target of 2670. This is also good for positional trades, all those who are interested to carry forward Reliance for a little longer time. On the option trade setup, one can consider buying Nifty weekly 18,000 call if it holds above 17,950's 18,000 zone. Option strategy, one can go with Nifty weekly bull call ladder spread by buying 18,000 calls, selling 18,100 call, and selling 18,150 call at net cost of around 26 to 27 points. Option writing, one can sell Nifty weekly 18,150 call and 17,750 put with inflow of around 18 to 20 points with strict double stop loss of 30-35 points. USD INR, it closed at 74.45 and in the Indian market and 74.5 in the overnight market. It is likely to trade in a relatively higher range above intraday support near 74.2. Pre-test of 74.55 followed by higher resistance near 74.7 looks possible in short term. The inflation numbers were out yesterday, and it was one of the highest inflations in the last few years, and which is positive for the dollar index, and hence we saw some recovery in the dollar rupee pair. On the global market fronts, US market yesterday tanked 0.7 to 1.7% after US inflation climbed to its highest level in 31 years. Currently, Dow future is trading 0.1% higher. European indices yesterday ended 0.1 to 0.9% higher, cheering the strong corporate earnings. Asian indices are trading mixed, so the global cues are mixed. Nifty yesterday opened gap down amidst weak global cues and remained lackluster throughout the session, though some buying interest in the second half trimmed some losses, down 27 points, 0.1% to close at 18,017 levels. FIIs have been consistent sellers to the tune of 470 crores yesterday, and DIIs bought shares worth 767 crores. Currently, SGS Nifty is trading 0.3% lower, 60 points down. So the domestic cues are negative, and we can expect a lower negative opening for the markets today. As far as the news and impact is concerned, Tata Motors plans for 20% EV penetration in 5 years and plans to launch 10 electric vehicle models by 2026. Maruti Suzuki has announced its plan to join the EV race. The company aims to launch its first EV vehicle by 2025. The company has entered into multi-year contract with an MNC, that is Nameen Fluorine. So these three counters can be in focus and positive for today. As far as research ideas and fundamental update is concerned, the first is Bharti Airtel at a current market price of 735. Bharti Airtel and Oracle have entered into a data center cloud deal in India. The partnership would provide a range of industry-leading cloud solutions to more than 1 million enterprise customers. Second is Muthoot Finance at a current market price of 1672, target price of 1900. It's a buy. Gold climbed to the highest level in almost 5 months at $1850 per ounce, post sharp spike seen in US inflation for the month of October. Demand has improved and should allow Muthoot Finance to grow reasonably to achieve its guided levels of 15% YOY growth in gold loans. With an AA plus rating, cost of funds is likely to decline further in coming quarters. This should mitigate yield pressures, if any. ROA, ROE is likely to remain robust, 6%, 23% respectively over the medium term. And the top research ideas for a time frame of more than 1 year one can consider to invest in are Lemon Tree, M&M, ONGC, KEC International, and Trident for an upside between 18 to 27%. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for the watch. Have a good day. Happy trading, happy investments. And in case you've not subscribed to our channel by the name of Tag Investments yet, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever we go live, you get a notification and you can make the most of the useful information which we share online via videos. And in case if you like us, do like and